Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you how I got this super pretty nail design perfect for the fall using some new products from Maniology. So if you're interested, keep on watching. With you some new arrivals from Maniology. The first one is this plaid plate, perfect for the fall. This is the 267 plate. It's super pretty. And the next one, it is, I think this is the 527 plate. Let me see. Oh, the 520 plate. And this is perfect for Halloween and the fall season. So I'm going to be sharing how I use the first plate. And also, if you're interested in picking up anything from Maniology, go ahead and use my coupon code Adine10. And here I'm showing you guys this sugar and spice new stamping polish plate or colors that I got. This one's so pretty. It reminds me of the fall. It is the name of it is nutmeg, and after that is this like mustardy caramel color, and that's exactly the name of it, is caramel. And these colors are perfect for the fall, you guys. The fall starts on Sunday. I'm so excited for all the cozy, the Uggs, the sweaters, all the stuff. And this one's called Cocoa. This is like a brownish color, but this is more like a different brown. Like I never seen a brown with this undertone. So I'm going to be sharing with you how I use the plaid plate today. And here I am prepping my client's nails. I did most of the prepping off camera. Here I'm just priming, dehydrating, and priming the nails. And then now I'm just taking my extend gel and I'm going to apply it to all her fingers, and I'm going to cure it for 10 seconds. Then I'm going to drop the tip at a 45-degree angle. And yeah, it gets pretty repetitive, and I'm going to show you this a few more times, and then we're going to get to do some stamping. I'm so excited. All right, you guys, comment down below, are you a pumpkin spice type of person? I don't mind it. I don't mind drinking it. The smell sometimes on candles is too overwhelming, but yeah, who else is excited for the fall? I'm so excited for all the fall activities I have planned, and I hope I get to do a lot of things. Let me know, what are you guys getting into this fall? I definitely want to go to somebody's like pumpkin patch. I want to do like a hayride. I want to do all the cool, cute, fallsy stuff. All right, it's time to do the nail design. So here we are going to do 2 coats of this green color. We're going to do her pinky, her middle finger, and her thumb. She showed me an inspo pic, and then we try to get colors that match that design that she showed me. And this color was a little bit too light, but when we do the top coat, it looks a lot better, a lot darker. And here, girl, I almost did the wrong finger. She's like, no, girl, we doing the middle finger. And I totally forgot. But, you know, my clients be helping me out because I just be talking and I be forgetting. So, yeah, like I said, we're going to do the pinky, the middle finger, and the thumb, 2 coats of this dark green color. Let me know down below, are you into the dark, moody fall colors, or you still wear like neutrals and pastel colors in the winter time? You guys know I'm a pink girl, so I kind of mainly stick to neutrals and pinks. But I think this fall I'm gonna step out my comfort zone, and I'm gonna do a lot more like moody sets. I want to do like the fall burgundy colors, the maroons, the browns. So stay tuned for those videos because I'm excited to share those with you. So here, and I forgot to film you guys, the other 2 fingers are like a off-white color, I guess, and I'm using the plaid plate, and we're going to use the caramel color and the nutmeg color. We're going to do like an ombre effect, and we're going to scrape it off the stamping plate, and we're going to pick it up, and then we're going to drop it onto her index finger, which has that like off-white color, like a beigey color on her nails. And then I'm doing the same thing, picking up those two colors. We are doing an ombre effect, so half of the stamping plate has one color and the other half has the darker color. We're going to scrape it off, pick it up, and drop it on her ring finger, and then we're going to do top coat, and that pretty much completes the look. Super simple and perfect for the fall.